such thing as actually getting tired of this.
This is nice. Yeah. Hey, Bob, can I get your honest feeling? How do you feel at this point in the trip?
Wonderful. Yeah. It's a wonder.
We've arrived to Bangkok. We're only here for 24 hours, so we're gonna try to make the most of it. Literally, our plane landed at 12 something. We're now on our way to the hotel and we'll be there by 2, and our flight leaves tomorrow at 1. Okay, so on our way to the hotel now. We are on our way to get some food. Let's go. I know you're hungry. Becky. Yeah. Miguel is awake. Are you open? Yes. So we had to change restaurants because the one that we went to only accepts cash. We do not have that much cash. They only accept cash or like wire transfer. I think that's important because a lot of the restaurants here, that's how they operate. So I would call ahead if you haven't exchanged that much cash.
So in Thailand, they celebrate Mother's Day along with the birthday of the Queen Mother, who is the mother of the reigning king.
Nice television.
Google Maps helps a lot to find places, and if you call ahead, you can find out if they accept card. I was so happy to have found this place to eat at. I mean, come on, you have to give it up for these Korean fried chicken wings. In traditional fashion, we always order the menu and their take on this hot honey spicy pepperoni pizza.
Doesn't crack me up. Mira, muchacha, vamos de aquí. It is so hot. And it's a holiday today, so many of the places that we wanted to go to are closed. So we're just wandering little alleyways and streets. He's pushing.
Oh my gosh.
We're just gonna go to the mall. It is way too hot. Listen, I can see stuff like this. We were so hot that we came into the nearest mall, which is actually very close to where we're staying in our hotel, and it's called the Icon Siam.
Is this thing on? Testing. With Francisco Valdez. How has your time here in Thailand been?
In Bangkok, cansado.
Yes, that is accurate. The traffic
Taxi,
today.
avión, taxi, avión, taxi, moto, escalera, caminar, tiendas. Y quién sabe qué más si todavía no se acaba el día.
Wait, is it recording? Oh, yeah.
When he said
Another-
it, that's what I was thinking.
Did we skip a floor?
This photo booth actually didn't work for us at all, so instead we took some pictures by phone. We actually ended up catching a movie to round out our night and our trip here in Bangkok. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There's actually a lot more to see in Bangkok that we couldn't unfortunately see because of the holiday, but it is so doable in 24 hours.
Lily, how do you feel?
I want food.
And coffee? Papi, how do you feel?
Wonderful.